Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to learn how you can easily change your email on Depop. If you want to change your email address associated with your Depop account, then first of all launch open Depop app on your device, or you may also visit the Depop website and log in. Once you're logged in, from the home page, go to My Depop at the bottom right corner and tap on it, and click on the gear button at the top right corner from your My Depop page. You'll then be able to see the settings menu that appears on the screen. Go ahead and click on Profile. Underneath Profile, tap on the Email tab and erase your current email and write down a new one. Once done, click on Save at the bottom and you'll then be able to change your email address on Depop. Now go ahead and check your inbox for a confirmation message, and you'll then be able to see your email has been updated inbox that you received. So that's how you can easily change your email address on Depop. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.